Assalamu alaikum and good evening to you. Hope you are well. You are viewers. Now 6:30 p.m. Now I am passing through on the Rishka to get some medicine. As my father was admitted in a clinic. Look, now it's the busiest area in our Rangpur city. Now in front of 8th floor mosque in the Rangpur city. Behind me, the 8th floor mosque, the tallest mosque in our Rangpur city. This is the famous mosque also. And look, there are lots of vehicle. There are lots of vehicle covered the roads. People are going back to their home and the destination. Really, I feel amazed. And all are busy to go back their destination. Look how much vehicle there are. Auto, Rishka and CNG, and with the ambulance also taking the passengers. So no more today. Thank you to all. Allah Hafiz.
ভিডিও ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই লাইক কমেন্ট করে পাশে থাকবেন। ফলো ফর মোর ভিডিও and please subscribe the channel. Please don't forget to share the video. Thank you.